Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the games not installing on Xbox error code 0x80070005 on Windows 10/11, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing I recommend you guys doing is simply just restart your PC, because that's one of the most efficient methods to use, and most people don't even try it, and it actually works like 80% of the time. But anyways, once you do restart your PC and the error code has not been fixed, the second method you guys can try doing is go over to the Xbox app. From the Xbox app, go to the top left, where your username is, click on that, and then go ahead and go down to sign out. So simply sign out and then sign back into the app, and you can also try to update it again and check to see if the issue fixes. If the issue does not fix, the third method I recommend you guys doing is go ahead and just delete delete the app and go ahead and reinstall it. This is because once you do that, the app will automatically be installed with the latest update, so you don't even have to do anything. So I would leave that as like a last method, but or the first method is really up to you. But anyways, yeah. And yeah, once you do that, you should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.